Tired of your Wix store feeling like a maze where customers get lost trying to simply buy something? Let's make buying from you a breeze. First, head over to your Wix editor and find the product page you want to tweak. Click on the page from the left-hand sidebar. Now, locate that crucial Add to Cart button on your product page. This is where the magic happens. Double-click the Add to Cart button. In the settings panel that pops up, make sure the Add to Cart button is actually linked to the cart page. Usually, you'll find a drop-down menu or a checkbox that says something like Connect to Cart or Link to Cart. Ensure it is selected. Next, we'll configure where the customer goes. After clicking the Add to Cart button in the same Add to Cart settings panel, look for options like Stay on this page or Go to Cart page. If you want a seamless flow, select Go to Cart page. This takes them directly to the cart, ready for checkout. Don't forget to test it out on both desktop and mobile to make sure everything works perfectly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've streamlined your customer's journey from product page to purchase, leading to happier customers and more sales. Thanks for watching. For more Wix tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and happy selling.